I came for these green mangoes over here. This is what has brought me here, guys. Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, karibuni sana. So today guys, I want to show you how I normally make my favorite fruit. This is a mango. I don't know if you really know this mango. This is what I have. I nimeiosha already. So it's clean. So guys, let me show you how I do it. First, you want to slice your mango. Please be cautious. You don't want to cut through your fingers or hand. You can as well use the chopping board. I think it's much easier. If you're watching to this point, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel. If you haven't, like, share, and I'm gonna appreciate so much. So guys, our mangoes are ready. As you can see, I just want to make them a little bit smaller to make it easier for me while eating. And the final step, guys, is applying the mixture of, this is actually red pepper. It's mixed with some salt. And guys, this makes it super yummy, so delicious. I love it so much. I challenge you to go and try it out, guys. This is the best you can have. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. And if you're new here, please make sure that you subscribe. And guys, please leave me a thumbs up. It helps a great deal. So bye bye and see you in my next video, guys. Anywhere you go, you